There's event.
So I'm
We don't know.
still roaming around here at Musharrif Qatar. I want to show you the all beautiful places here at Musharrif Qatar.
Cooking us, especially our vlog. What's this? What's the what happened here? What's this? What's the kind of event here?
They think
Huh? What's this? Oh, I can understand. So we can understand, but it's nice. I think we're going out because we cannot understand.
huh?
We need to go out because I think we are not belong here. This is not our trip. Yeah, but we will go outside again to the other side. And you know it's beautiful there, oh,
Yeah.
in the ceiling, beautiful. We're going. Oh, we need to have this experience with the Arab concert song. Indeed, we're gonna
Cultural song.
cultural song and they are taking take coffee, only tea,
Baka
coffee.
hanggang sa bahay. Pagtulog
Relax.
nito, magsasalita ating. Pag sa pagtulog
So we
natin.
are going here in the right side. So more people also again here. In hoping we cannot get another, we cannot shop again with our perfume because we don't have money, any budget. Because we need
Here.
to go
Ting, diri tatingan, diri nga sa
we need to go and go have some mall to have dinner. Not here.
So, di na tama sakay.
So we're going there or we will take a walk and roaming around everyone to see the view of
Dati sa pagtulog natin, nagsasalita ka pa rin na.
Musharraf downtown. Rar. Rar.
Thank you.
Okay. We will cross in the road. The small road, but it's cold. Cross in the road and it's cold, very cold. Yeah. What's this? Wood? Ah.
Don't worry, mga kajokrats.
So we'll go to the other side,
Where?
stop, and then you can get from this over. Where we can go to the over. Yeah, I think that one here. We'll stop here, or in the other side, or there. Really?
Sa dente,
If they are eating here and there is far,
Park
what do you
Place.
call this one?
Park-
Firefly.
No, Park Place.
You see? Then it's colorful. Yeah, it's colorful. Oh, yeah, nakatake. Let's see. It looks nice here. Too much
Daw
people.
puro na lang anino makita mo.
Too much people.
Kasi matapakan mo sa ting.
Here.
Kaya na ta.
Look there. Look. So,
Yeah.
so let's go. Let's go. So let's go and eat there with
Wait,
our
okay.
Asian food. I think have already here. Very nice.
Yes.
It's so nice here. Oh my god.
Tama, okay?
We're going this one.
No, wala dalagyan.
Wala.
Hindi na.
Oh. Okay. You know, there's a lot of restaurant inside, but you know, you cannot smell even the smoke smell if you are to take a walker outside. You cannot
Ay, din
smell
tama, overthink dito na, ah.
even the restaurant here beside only here. You cannot smell the food. It's nice. So, but you know, it's cold, but we are eating outside. Okay, we have this fire. What is it? What fireflies? Yeah, fireflies.
Okay.
Okay, let's go. I will take
I'm still
the over here.
looking,
Over.
going to
I think
other area for the over. Diri na tatingon, ha. Dito to.
for
Here.
very cold.
And building ng gawa sa mall, 15 real combo.
And
Diri, okay lang dito. Okay pa din, malapit pa.
For the 15 reals combo, 2 ulam and 2 dish and 1 rice.
Okay.
So we will start now for
Yes. Yeah.
that. Oh, 10 reals.
Here, mga kajupras, I'm so too much cold. The weather today is very cold.
American Express Middle is here in this side.
Thank.
Baliktad ikwas na kaya may stock na sila.
Oh, you need to have this one message too.
Yeah.
I know. This is so amazing.
Thank.
The manager. We are here in this, I don't know, Vodafone. Vodafone. So, yeah. We are going to Doha Souk Mall.
Bibili.
Googling. In 4 minutes, the Uber is here. Maybe we can go there. Oh,
Over here?
we need to. The Uber is not here. Ah, okay. Hi. We bought this one from Osma.
Okay.
And no, this is not for me. This is for Burrito. Burrito for the what's this?
Rice.
Rice. And
Kailan layo imo nga, Mike?
raffle. Yes. The smell is very nice, very authentic.
And the price is also very nice.
Yes. Hopefully we can get 1 free of this one. And for 1 raffle. As for the price, we are exciting to go there.
Okay na? So, ano ko na ni?
Yes.
So, okay, bye-bye. Don't
Don't forget to subscribe and
like and share. Bye.